Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming model and battery details so you know what to expect. Once done, power both transmitter and receiver off to prevent firmware activity and heat buildup. Plug the original USB-C cable into a 5V/2A charger. The supplied charger is best because it matches voltage. Make sure ports are clean and unobstructed. While charging, place units on a cool, flat surface and avoid heavy cable strain so connectors don't wear prematurely. Now you connect the cable and watch status indicators to confirm current flow. If the LED shows red, charging is active, green means full. Because wireless units often have small batteries, charge the transmitter first, then the receiver if you have one charger. This ensures your playing unit reaches full capacity. Use a wall adapter or powered USB hub rather than an unpowered laptop port to maintain steady current. Monitor temperature briefly. Slight warmth is normal, but stop if it gets hot. Finish by confirming a full charge through the green LED or the Lekato app readout, then run a brief guitar test to ensure signal integrity. If charging fails, try a different USB-C cable, swap chargers, and inspect the port with compressed air. Dirt or bent pins are common causes. Make sure you don't leave units on charge indefinitely. Unplug after full. If you encounter persistent problems, contact support, but most issues are resolved by swapping cables or cleaning the port.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.